जा रहे हैं, जहां पर वफाकी वज़ीर तवानाई तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Energy capacity, there are people have installed. That is a stronger starting point than many countries far more industrialized than we are. Our target under this government is to take this figure to 90% clean energy by 2035. That is not a slogan for a conference banner. It is a trajectory we are actively planning for. In generation, in transmission expansion, and most critically in the storage and flexibility infrastructure that this conference exists to advance. I want to be very candid with this audience. You cannot get from 55 to 90% on the back of variable renewables alone. Every additional gigawatt of solar and wind we connect without a matching investment in storage makes our grid harder, not easier to balance. Decarbonization without flexibility is not a strategy. It is a bottleneck waiting to happen. Storage is what converts an ambitious target on a slide into an operable, bankable, and a very deliverable plan. If the first chapter of Pakistan's clean energy story was written by our people through solar, the next chapter must be written by all of us, the government, regulators, industry, and financiers, through storage and flexibility. Battery storage allows the grid operators the necessary flexibility to integrate high share of renewables through the various use cases it offers. Put simply, without storage, our solar success risks becoming a curtailment problem. With storage, it becomes a national asset. Ladies and gentlemen,
इस्लामाबाद में वफाकी